Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is a review on my GoPro suction cup mount. Now, as you guys have noticed maybe in the couple past videos, there's been some different angles from the outside of the car, from the inside of the car, even like this shot right now is done on the GoPro suction cup mount. So let's just get right into the review. Alright, so first off, the reason why I actually ended up getting a GoPro suction cup mount was because I saw a lot of different people in the car community, when they're making videos, they use one of these to get cooler shots, and you get the inside shot like this. You can hang it from the windows, from the windshield. You can put it on the outside of your car. You can just do endless amounts of things with this. So it's a really nice tool for a car and capturing the moments with it. So the next thing that I wanted to add was I got this straight off the GoPro site. Most things I get from Amazon because you can get them a little cheaper, but I found that this one was the same exact price, and just to make sure it's an official GoPro accessory, I figured I would go straight from GoPro's website. So I got that, and as you guys can see, it is $39.99, so basically 40 bucks for a suction cup mount. I think that's a very good deal for all the stuff that I've done with this. I just got this suction cup mount maybe a couple weeks ago, and I've done so many different shots with it, just getting used to it. Putting it on the outside of your car with a $500 GoPro is a little stressful, but it holds up. I mean, you just gotta learn to trust it. I'm still not there yet. There's some times where I'll be getting an exhaust clip, and when you're doing that, you can't see the GoPro at all. So you just have to pray and hope that that sucker has not fallen off and got run over by a car, because that would suck. But it is a GoPro official accessory, so it's held up every time that I've done any sort of clip on the outside of my car, on the inside of my car. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the GoPro out and show you how to hook it up to your car, the suction cup mount, and how to get everything secured down nice and tight to where nothing falls off, and then just show you some different angles and stuff that I have learned in these past couple weeks that look cool, and just show you what it looks like to have one of these and maybe why you would want to buy one. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you just on the interior how to hook up your GoPro suction cup mount to, I'm just gonna show you the windshield. Obviously if you do it to a window, it's gonna be the same, and then if you just do it to any dash piece, it'll be the same, but we'll show you how to hook it up here. Alright, so the first thing that you do is you just want to look at this first off. So it has a button that says press, just note that down, and then it has a little lever that locks. So when you're putting it up to a glass surface or any surface that you want it to stick to, before you lock it, you want to press this up against, let's say, the glass, and then you want to push the little button that says press, and then it will suck the suction cup down, and then you just lock it at the same time that you're holding the button, and then it's secured on there, and it won't come off. I mean, I'm pulling on that with quite a bit of force, and it is not moving. So I'm gonna let this go. And there's this little tab right here. Okay, so there's also two adjustment points where you can adjust this. So you can loosen that one, and you can loosen this one as well. And then you can just adjust them however you want. You can adjust this one as well, just however you want. And then also, when you hook up your GoPro, it will be mounted right there. If you guys have a GoPro, you know how that works, so I'm not going to explain that. But we'll show you how to do that on the outside, and then we'll show you some shots of how that looks. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to hook it up just on any surface on the outside of the car. Now, I have picked the rear of the car to do this on just because I've done this several times. It's a flat area on this car, and it'll be easy to show you guys how to put it on and what to do. All right, so the first thing that you need to know when putting on a GoPro or any suction cup mount for that matter is you want to keep the suction cup as clean as possible when you're trying to get a tight seal. So I'm just going to set that down face up to where it doesn't just sit on the asphalt. And then we're going to take some of this cleaner. And I know my car is not the cleanest right now. I'm actually going to go home and clean it. But we're going to clean off the section that we're going to stick the suction cup mount to. All right, so now that you got that done, all we need to do is take this and do the same as we did on the inside of the car. We're just going to use this little press button at the same time and then lock it at the same time. So I'm just going to take this, press it down, then press the button, and then at the same time fold the lock, and we're locked in. Obviously you can adjust it, but we'll put the GoPro on there and show you guys just a couple more places and how it looks and why you should buy one. All right, so one more thing that you have to do when you're dealing with a GoPro suction mount is after you've gotten all those good shots and you are done for the day, you're gonna go to take it off. So what you need to do first is you need to pull up the lock mechanism. Now as you can see, that's still stuck on there pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is not just pull it off. There's a little tab, if you guys can see it right here, that you just get with your finger. So we just grab that and pull up from there, and it will take it off easier than if you just yanked it off. Alright, and if you guys like this video, please leave a like down below. Comment your suggestions if it involves my car or any certain video idea you guys would like to see. If you want me to do a certain mod to my car, I love to hear your comments down below. And as always, subscribe as well and ring the little bell notification just where you get all my notifications when I post videos. And as always, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.